What you should have is you have your front of your case like that. If you've coloured on it, that's great, but keep it at the top, so the top of the case should be there. And what we're going to show you how to do is how to fix down the circuit board. So you need a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and 3 longer spacers that are 30mm, 1 shorter spacer, which is about 25mm, 3 small bolts, 1 longer bolt, and a spacer. And you can find those all in the tray there. All the trays and the compartments should be labelled up. Okay, right. So the first thing I do is I'll put a normal one on. I'll put the longer ones on with the short bolts. So just take the bolt like that, push it through, hold it in place with your finger, and then just do it up finger tight. And best to do this in a pair. Get one of you to hold it with the pliers, and then the other student to do it up with the screwdriver. Not too much because the acrylic might crack. Okay? So you do that on there. On this one over here, this is where the circuit goes. So this one's slightly different. So take the circuit board. This is in the top right-hand corner. Take the longer bolt, pass that through the hole, place it back on the table. You can pick this up with your fingers, but just so you can see what I'm doing. Take the spacer, place the spacer on top of that there. Now take the circuit board, put the circuit board on top, and this allows space underneath for the circuit board. And now take the shorter one of the spacers that are left, that one there, and again, do that up finger tight on the circuit board. So I'm going to try and put my finger on the bolt like that, and again do it up nice and finger tight. And you can see there's a space there for the solder connection, so they don't actually touch the acrylic. And again, try and position it correctly. Pliers on it like that. Other student on the other side, and then just tighten it up slightly like that. And then finally, take the other 2 small bolts and the longer spacers. And the longer spacers are 30, the shorter ones are 25, but because on the 25 one, you've actually put the spacer's 5mm with the circuit board, so that adds up to 30. So once you've done them, remember to tighten them with a screwdriver, but it should sit flat on the table. A good way of testing is if it's not flat and it's wobbling, you might have put one of the wrong ones on. Tighten them all up, and then once you've done that, you can see there I've marked a circle, and that's where the speaker gets glued on. Give that to your teacher and they can glue that down. Okay, that's it.